statement that he's willing to send soldiers to the Middle East. It was mentioned in Qatar and Bahrain. NSA General Esperon was saying that this is just really for training. But what the president said was this: if you are in trouble, if you are short with manpower, I have a very disciplined military and I can send them here. You will not have any trouble with them. They are law-abiding, well-disciplined, and they can stay here just to send them to the borders.
Yes, the president mentioned this. We were able to monitor it. First off, I'd like to thank the president for his trust and confidence on his military, your military, for that statement. It's just an indication that we're actually doing our job well, and he values our service. On his assurance to these nations in the Middle East, well, it's still a long way off. Just like the Secretary of the NSA, the National Security Advisor, has said, it could have been intended as training. So, but it was clearly said. So if he really intends to do this, then it will be a long series of discussions with those countries, because these kinds of activities don't just happen overnight. There needs to be a lot of groundwork that should be
But there won't be a problem sending our troops to the Middle East, sir?
We've sent troops before. We are part of a coalition of nations who have vowed to fight terrorism and who have vowed to work with the United Nations. Aside from the peacekeepers that we deploy abroad, you know all about this, we also help other nations in their needs. And many occasions in the past, historically, we've come to the aid of others who have asked for assistance. That is, if they've asked for assistance.
Brigadier General Restituto Padilla, sir, good to have you. Maraming salamat po sa
Pinky,
inyo.
just one last word.
Sure,
the Chief of
sir.
Staff just likes to pass on his congratulations to our troops who really did a fine job in Central Command under General Lactao, and in Western Mindanao under General Galvez. So to them, your Chief of Staff is very proud of you. Your country is very proud of you. Continue on with the dedicated service.